Hey, this is Pat, and today we're checking out the all-new Cardo Freecom 4X-S Bluetooth headset. Now, the 4X-S is just a Freecom, like we've seen the Freecom 4X before, but they are now being built for the Shoei line of Gen 3 helmets, which I absolutely love. I think it was always kind of, there was customers out there that didn't really like that if you bought a Shoei helmet, you were kind of pigeonholed into buying the Senna-powered SRL unit. I'm a Cardo user myself, so it was almost a non-starter for me right out of the gate that I didn't really want to go with one of the three Gen 3 helmets, the Neotec 3, the GT-Air 3, or the J-Cruise 3. And you could buy adapters to make a unit work on the outside, but it still wasn't streamlined. But that has all changed now that Cardo has launched the Freecom 4XS, as well as the Pack Talk S, if you want the big brother to this unit on here. But this is the Freecom 4XS. You can see it actually uses these side plates that come with the Neotec. You pop those side plates on, and it just snaps into place over on the left-hand side to give you a 4-button layout and giving you all the technology of the Freecom 4X. Now, I'm not gonna go into too much detail throughout this whole video. It's gonna be a pretty short one on all the features that the Freecom 4X has. If you want that, we have a full detailed breakdown and our use case, a lot of things we use it for, everything like that already. You can watch that video. It's all the same features on there. They're just integrating it into the Shoei helmet, which is really cool. You can see it's over here on the side panel over on the left side of the helmet. And it's also built in to the battery pack at the back. So they're able to make it nice and streamlined because they've moved the entire battery to the back mounting point of the Shoei SRL mounting points on the side. You actually don't even use the right side pod, so that one just stays in place as the plastic piece over top of it. But all you need to do is pop off the side plates off of your GT-Air 3, off of your Neotec 3, like I have here on my left, or the J-Cruise 3. You just pop that off, it pops in, and then it's just about cable management after that and tucking all the cables away. Comes with the speakers included. You can actually see them over on my right-hand side. Comes with the JBLs in there. It's the 40mm JBL speakers, which is one of the top-of-the-line ones that comes with Cardo's right out of the box. They do have a 45mm if you want to upgrade it. It's all still the same mounting point. Now, one thing to call out, this is going for $300. It's going to be usually on sale almost all the time for about $240, $250, somewhere in that range, but $300 is the MSRP, so I like to call that out just in case Cardo changes anything. And it is just designed for those three Shoei helmets out there, the Neotec 3, the GT-Air 3, and the J-Cruise 3. I'd imagine we'll see an RF 1400 version out there. Not really something that has a built-in system, but they did design an SRL for there, so maybe Cardo might go into that area. But I do love, again, being a Cardo user, the option to add that into a Shoei helmet if I go for it. Now, feature-wise, you still are getting the hybrid boom microphone in the box. That's gonna be great for the J-Cruise or the Neotec that has an opening faceplate on there. And then you have the option just to use that inside the GT-Air 3. But you are still getting the 4-button layout on the side, much more streamlined, again, because they moved the battery to the back, still getting 13 hours of talk time, still USB-C charging, fast charging as well. One thing I will call out though on the side, just how streamlined it is. I'll actually turn it to the side for our cameraman Cam here to try and get an angle, but you can see just how streamlined that really is when it's at the side of the helmet. That's the biggest proponent to the SRL and to this new Cardo S line, is just how streamlined it is, so it doesn't put any drag on the helmet. It doesn't have any issues there. You can still wire it up inside with the wiring, or you can just wire it yourself, depending on whether you like to have the microphone on one side or the other, just specific placement. You do have that option, and there comes with all the adhesive that you need. It is still Bluetooth for 5.2 inside of there. That is live Bluetooth as well, which is pretty cool, just because that is going to be a self-healing Bluetooth. If you disconnect from somebody, it'll constantly try for about a minute to reconnect up. There's universal comms as well, so if you want to chat with a Senna user or another user out there, you can connect up to one other rider that way, or you can do up to 4 riders in Bluetooth conference mode up to 3/4 of a mile in distance, which is pretty solid, especially considering there's no external antenna or anything like that. 3/4 of a mile is pretty solid there. Still get the 40mm JBL speakers, and my favorite feature in all of Cardo's line that I know Senna replicated and a lot of other brands have gone to, and that's natural voice. That means that you can talk to your phone, whether it's Google, whether it's Siri. You can use that AI assistant to power your phone, to change the songs, to start Spotify, which is what I do, to send text, to send a call if you're out on the road and you're just handling a lot of business like I do. When I'm commuting in, I tend to get calls in or just jam out to music. You can easily control that. I love when brands actually just piggyback off of the $1 billion investment that Apple and Google have put into their own AI assistants, instead of trying to create one that isn't so great. It's not the best use case or anything like that. I'd rather them just piggyback off of a known factor that already works extremely well. So really cool out here. Again, if you want more information on the Freecom 4X, you can just watch that video. That's going to have our full detailed review, and all the features in there are going to be the same, with the exception of obviously the mounting specifically for the Shoei helmets. But If you have any questions after that, go ahead and click that info button. It's going to take you over to the product page where you can read other rider reviews and see what riders are saying about the all-new Freecom 4X-S. And if you're still confused as to which one's right in their line, whether it's one of the Shoei specific ones, whether it's the Pack Talk, or just any other unit out there, give our customer service agents a call. They're all riders. Happy to help you get set up for your next ride. I want to thank you for joining me and checking out the all-new Cardo Freecom 4X-S Bluetooth unit. I'm Pat. I'll see you in the next video.